Buddy, Shell the water guy here. Today we're doing something cool. I got an opportunity to work with my my boy. He's here with me, Stetson. He's gonna help me. We're gonna do some drum sander work on these boards. Get them all sanded up. Maybe we'll do the edges. I don't know. We'll see. All right. See you around. Stay tuned. All right, Stetson. This is a drum sander. See how it has the big drum here? And so we're gonna do this side first. And we're gonna send it through here multiple times and get it smooth and flat. Take off all this crap. So we'll do this side first. And then we'll flip it over and do the other side. So to adjust this, lower this down. Open this up and see how that's moving. And you move that until it doesn't move. So it just barely touches. Oh. Like that. Then we send it through. How does it look? Do you see any glue on it, or do we get it all, you think? Yeah, speak up.
Good.
You think it's good? Okay, so we can flip it over and do the other side, huh? Okay, we'll get a couple shots of that. Well, Stetson, what do you think? Did we get it smooth on the drum sander? Yeah, they probably can't hear you. You gotta speak up. Can't mic. So we might have to make some filler. All right, just come over here and go on to the next one. All right, Stetson, these are next two are next. Can't take very much off of these ones, just a light. There's not much to take off. Yeah, we'll have to cut that one down. Okay, which one do we want to do first? Okay, do that one first. All right. All right, Stetson, now we need to make it square like this one over at the saw. So see all these rough edges, uneven edges. So let's take these three that we sanded down over to the chop saw. I don't know if the chop saw will do that big one. Might have to do that one different, but yeah, let's check it out.